Take you out, we do the weekend. Decided to give you a reason to trust. These are decisions that I make.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another special treat for you. This unit that I'm going to be showcasing is by Eayon Hair, and first off, their packaging is gorgeous. Check the description box if you are curious about this company. I will have a direct link to eonhair.com as well as a direct link to this unit. This is their Peruvian virgin human hair lace front wig, and the texture is loose curly, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I was so feeling myself in this unit, and you guys loved it on me too. Follow me on Instagram at OhSo805 and on Snapchat at OhSo805, because if you follow me, you get to see my units being showcased before I upload to YouTube. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I decided to style this unit, and I'm going to show you guys one of the secrets that I've learned. Because many of you know I'm still a beginner when it comes to lace front wigs, but I'm getting better and better with the sleigh, okay? I'm showing you guys how easy it is to adhere your wig down if you're a beginner. So one trick that I've learned, and I noticed it helps me out a lot, is cutting the unit while it's on my head. This helps you get the hairline really close to mimicking your hairline. And that's definitely one of the key components to slaying your frontal unit, is getting a hairline to mimic your natural hairline. The only adhesive that I'm using right now is the Got To Be Glued spray, and it gives you a good hold. It lasts a day to 2 days for me. So again, the texture of this wig is loose curly, and the inch is 12 inches, and it's 180% density. I decided to go in and do a little bit of customizing because this wig does come pre-plucked, which is great because you don't have to do too much work to this unit. And I went for an off-center part, so it's not really a side part, but it's not really a middle part. However, you guys, it was just something different for me, and it was speaking to me. You guys let me know down below if you guys are feeling this style on me, because I'm loving it. Another thing that I really love about this unit is the maintenance is so low. All you have to do is spritz a little bit of water on it every day, and you don't really have to put product in it. But if you do put product in it, I suggest put like a lightweight mousse in it, and only put the smallest amount. Scrunch your hair up and you're good to go. You're out the door. And trust me, you're going to get many compliments with this wig. And did I mention that Eayon Hair is having a Christmas sale that's going to run between the 1st of December and December 31st. So I'll link their coupon codes down below, which the first coupon code is Christmas. That'll save you some money, but you can also use my coupon code, which is fashionable, and that'll save you some coins as well. Do you see the angles? Gorgeous. So for the remainder of this video, I'm just going to show you guys how bomb this wig is. And again, this is 12 inches, perfect for every day, perfect for work, holiday sleigh. It's just a sleigh, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in today, and I'll be sure to have everything that you need to know about this unit in the description box and links to purchase. And until next time, let me know how you're feeling about this wig, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
Can we get a room? And we ain't gotta tell nobody.